Hi, it's Matt here from Go Green Autos. So this is a Peugeot Partner electric van. The same van is also a Citroen Berlingo, and this video is about the 12 volt flashing light in the dash, and to explain what it does, because a lot of people, when they see that, they naturally assume that there is a fault with the vehicle. So on these you have a 12 volt battery light up there, a red light, and they can often be flashing. These aren't flashing at the moment because I'm just sat here with the ignition on. If they are flashing on the video, it's just because the camera makes it look like it's flashing. But often you will see this battery light flashing on its own when you're getting in or out of the vehicle, and people naturally assume that there is a problem with the vehicle. It isn't. It's just what these do. It just means when the light is flashing, it's gone into economy mode. So I've got the user manual here. I'll just read what it says. After the engine is stopped with the key in ignition, certain functions, i.e. windscreen wipers, electric windows, courtesy lamps, audio equipment, can only be used for a duration of 30 minutes to prevent discharging of the 12 volt battery. After the 30 minutes are over, the active functions are put on standby and the battery warning light flashes. To resume the use of these functions immediately, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. So basically it is saying when you've got a flashing red battery light, it's because the vehicle has gone into standby and certain things aren't going to work, i.e. you're not going to be able to turn your radio on because that's going to drain the battery further. So it's just saying that if you want full functionality, you've got to start the vehicle. That's all. It doesn't mean there is a fault. It just means that certain things are shut down. In reality, it's completely pointless. It doesn't need to be there. It's not there on other vehicles, and that sort of functionality we all understand with vehicles. And if you want things to be running, you've got to have the vehicle running. So hope that helps. I get a lot of questions when people buy, well, I'm only selling electric vans. The same situation happens with the diesel and petrol vehicles. But anyway, on the electric vans, it's too easy for new customers to assume there is a fault when you have a red flashing light, because they're quite wary about the new technology on an electric van. But it's completely normal, and obviously part of the normal operation of a Peugeot Partner or Citroen Berlingo van.